In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly rename a team in Figma. If you've ever been in a situation where your team name no longer reflects your project's scope, or you simply want to make it more distinctive, this tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of updating your team name in Figma. First things first, log into your Figma account. If you're not already on the homepage, navigate there. Once you're logged in, and it's important to ensure you're on the right account if you have multiple, find your way to the teams page. This is where you can oversee all the collaborative groups you're a part of. Your journey begins here as this page presents a comprehensive look at your different teams, allowing you to select the one you wish to rename seamlessly. As you scan through the list, pinpoint the specific team whose name you want to update. This is the time to make sure you're selecting the correct team, especially if the list is long or the team names are similar. Accuracy here is key, as you wouldn't want to inadvertently change the wrong team's details. Once you've identified the team, go ahead and select it. With the team selected, your next step is to click on the team settings. You'll notice a gear icon that often symbolizes settings across various platforms. Here in Figma, it's no different. This icon is your gateway to modifying your team's details. When you click it, the settings menu for your chosen team will open, giving you access to multiple options. Now you're looking for the team name field. This field is what you'll need to update with the new name. As you prepare to update it, take a moment to think about this change. Will the new name accurately describe your team's purpose or identity? Is it easy for everyone involved to recognize and remember? Once you're satisfied with the name, go ahead and edit the field accordingly. After typing in the new name, your changes aren't quite live yet. You need to save them first. This step confirms your intention to rename, ensuring there are no accidental edits. Look for the Save button and click it to finalize the change. Upon saving, your team's new name should now reflect across your Figma dashboard, accessible to all members involved in your team. And there you have it! You've successfully renamed a team in Figma. Remember, making these adjustments can help maintain clarity as your projects evolve, helping everyone involved stay organized and aligned with the project's objectives. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your collaborative projects even more effective. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Thanks for watching and happy designing!